If you're thinking about getting a small JBL speaker, but you're not sure which one is better between the JBL Go 4 and the JBL Clip 5, these are probably two of the best speakers that I've tested recently, but which one is the better option? Well, let's talk about it. As you can see, the size of these two are pretty nice and small, a little bit different shape. The Clip 5 is just a little bit bigger overall, but they're actually fairly close, mainly because of the hook on the top. The Clip 5 is a little bit heavier as well, and it's got 7 watts versus 4.2 watts with the JBL Go 4. And of course, you can attach the Clip 5 onto just about anything. Both of these have really nice build quality. One advantage for the Go 4 is you can actually sit it down on a flat surface. Both speakers are really durable and rugged. Sort of feels like you could just throw them across the room without damaging either. They're both IP67, dust and waterproof. You'll also notice you've got pretty similar controls between the two. Although on the Clip 5, you've got play, pause, and volume controls on the front instead of on the top. They're both pretty simple to use and to pair through Bluetooth. Both of these have Bluetooth 5.3, and then you can pair multiple speakers together using Auracast. Just keep in mind, it has to be the same model. When I tried to pair these two together, it didn't work. You can also use the JBL Portable app for updates and EQ settings and presets for both speakers as well. Even though these two speakers are somewhat similar in size, the battery life is going to be quite a bit better on the Clip 5. Up to 7 hours for the JBL Go 4, up to 12 hours for the JBL Clip 5. It takes about 3 hours to charge back up for both speakers. To me, the most interesting part of comparing these two is definitely the sound. They're really nice and loud, especially for the size. The Clip 5 is a tad louder than the Go 4, but not by much. Here's a few samples of each, just to give you an idea of what they sound like.
But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray. As you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
It feels like a little bit better bass on the Clip 5, but the Go 4 actually sounds really good as well. You'll notice maybe a little difference when playing these back to back in person. I'd have to give the advantage to the Clip 5 though, with the much better battery life. Even though I do prefer the design and shape of the Go 4, it's probably going to come down to how you'll use your speaker. But again, these two are definitely some of the best sounding speakers in this category, so you can't really go wrong with either one.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you can get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget.